Hi, I'm Tracy from TierraCast, and I'm here at Artbeads to show you how to make a wire-wrapped component using our ethnic bar links and some other beads and some 26 gauge wire. We'll wire wrap that together and create a focal component that then you can use in earrings or as a necklace, as a pendant, or wrap multiple ones together and use them as a bracelet. What we're going to do is use some wire wrapping with some beads to connect these two ethnic bar links. And once we've done 5 links together, it creates this component that then you can use as a focal for necklaces or earrings, or you could string multiple ones of them together and make a bracelet. So I'm using some 4mm Swarovski pearls and some TierraCast short ethnic beads and the 2 ethnic bar links and some 24 gauge craft wire. I've already connected one of the links. I've already used one segment to connect 2 links together. So I'm just going to continue that process. I've got about a 3-inch piece of wire cut, and I've bent it over close to one end, not really at the center, and I'm just going to thread that through the next hole on the link. And just secure it with a simple wrap. It doesn't have to be many times around, just once is fine. And trim that. Then I'm going to string on a pearl and an ethnic bead and a second pearl. And fold that over right after your beads, and then thread that through the corresponding hole on the other link, and repeat that wrapping technique. And then I'll just continue that process to connect the rest of the beads between the links until I have my focal component completed. Once you've got this focal component completed, you can use jump rings to connect a heavier chain up here at the top, and use jump rings to connect a toggle clasp. And then at the bottom, you could use some finer chain and cut strands of various lengths to create this draped chain look with graduated lengths. The last thing you can do is use a head pin and another one of the beads to create a small dangle to hang in between the chain. We hope you enjoy this technique. Thank you for watching.